Hello everyone, welcome to the GotATek channel, where if you don't have a tech, now you do. Get training, easy tips and tricks on how to use tech devices and programs more efficiently. So step one would be to open up your Outlook app, press the plus sign, go to add an account. Next you're going to do skip these accounts because neither one of them are a Gmail account. Then you go to add Google account, continue. Next you choose the Gmail account. You have to allow and accept the permissions. It's going to authenticate the account. And now, as you can see, I have my GotATek email address added onto my Outlook app. Now, I would just recommend before beginning this process that you upgrade your phone or Android device to the latest version of Android and also download the Outlook app onto your device, providing that it's not already preloaded on your device. Keep in mind that my device is a Google device. So a lot of my Google emails were already added onto my device. My accounts were already signed into. But if you need help adding accounts or updating your phone or with any of the background settings, please write in the comments or contact me directly, and I will be glad to help you and walk you through that process. Also, I just want to let you know that um, these steps are transferable to most other Android devices. It doesn't have to be a Google device. It could be any Android device where you can download the Outlook app and you will be able to go through these steps pretty much the exact same way to add your email, your Outlook email to your device. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can always be up to date on the latest advice from GotATek. And don't forget to write in the comments if you would like to see more videos on this topic. All my contact information can be found in the description below, and my calendar is now posted if you would like to make an appointment to work with me one-on-one. Thanks for watching.